What happened in the year our house was built? While researching for a photo shoot we did celebrating buying a 1920s home in 2020, here are all of the things I learnt were happening while the house was in construction. The first Academy Awards were presented. The ceremony only lasted 15 minutes. Mother Teresa arrived in Calcutta to begin her work in India. Audrey Hepburn, Martin Luther King Jr., and Anne Frank were all born in 1929. Other famous names born in this year include Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis, Grace Kelly, June Carter Cash, and Christopher Plummer. The inaugural Monaco Grand Prix was held. Vatican City gained independence from Italy. Construction started on the Rockefeller Center in New York. Mickey Mouse is first seen wearing gloves in the short cartoon The Opry House. The soft-serve drink 7-Up was invented. The USA and Canada agree to preserve Niagara Falls. Tintin and Popeye make their first comic book appearances. Tarzan, one of the first adventure comic strips, also first appears. US President Herbert Hoover authorizes construction of the Hoover Dam. After a trial with yellow and red buses is unpopular, it was decided that all London buses would be red going forward. In New York City, the Museum of Modern Art, or MoMA, opened its doors to the public. The game of bingo was invented by Edward S. Lowe, and of course, in 1929, the Wall Street crash happened. It's funny to think of all of these things happening in 1 year alone, especially the birthdays of famous people. I couldn't believe that some of their timelines were exactly the same and how they crossed over. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Have a great week.